Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online tuitions for intermediate CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. Probability, one of the most important LAQ long answer question. Okay, so and it is given in the board model paper for 2021 and 2022, and this is also given in many times in the previous exams also. Okay, so in a box containing 15 bulbs, 5 are defective. If 5 bulbs are selected at random from the box, then find the probability of the event that none of them is defective, only one of them is defective, at least one of them is defective. That is the question here. Okay, so here, what is given data here in this? Okay, total bulbs, total number of bulbs. Total
15.
Number of bulbs is equals to 15.
15. NS
Total
is
number
equal
of
to
bulbs
15.
is equals to 15. How many bulbs are there? Defective bulbs.
5.
Defective are 5. Okay. And how many good bulbs are there?
10.
Okay. Very good. Good bulbs is equals to 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. Okay. So now selected, if 5 bulbs are selected at random from the box, okay, we are selecting 5 bulbs. Okay, now selecting 5 bulbs from the 15 bulbs. 15 bulbs. Okay, from the given 15 bulbs, we are selecting 5 bulbs. How many ways are possible? How many ways are possible? Okay, so number of ways is equals to okay, so we are selecting 5 out of 15. 15 C5 NCR. Selection, related to selection means NCR. From 15 bulbs, we are selecting 5 bulbs. 15 C5 ways are possible. 15 C5 ways are possible. Okay, we can write this as N of S, total number of ways. Total number of ways for this okay question. This is a sample space, like sample space. Okay, now after that, none of them is defective. What is first question here? None of them is defective. None of them is defective means all are good bulbs. We are going to select all the good bulbs. Okay, how many ways are there? Okay, so here
10.
first one is none of them is defective. None of them is defective. We have to find the probability of this. So number of good bulbs. Okay, total non-defective. We can write it as non-defective or good. Okay, so total non-defective. Okay, so non-defective bulbs is equals to 10. Okay, from this 10 only we have to select 5. Okay, how many ways are there? Okay, so number of ways of selecting 5 bulbs from, okay, so 10. All these are non-defective only. All these are non-defective. Okay, so if I take this as N of A, okay, so from 10 we are selecting 5. From this 10 only we are selecting 5. From this 10 only we are selecting 5. That is nothing but 10C5. 10C5 it is. Okay, now what is the question here? He is asking the probability of this. Okay, therefore probability of none of them is defective. None of them is defective is equals to all the ways of non-defective divided by total number of ways. Total number of ways. That means n of a divided by n of s. What is n of a? That is 10c5. That is 10c5 divided by n of s. Okay. From 15 we are selecting 5. 15c5. 15c5. So this is equals to 10c5 value. 10c5. So short form, little bit short form is we have to write the five factors in the descending order. 5 factors in the descending order divided by 5 factorial. So that means 5 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. The 5 factors divided by 5 factorial. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 whole divided by 15c5 also we write like that. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. Okay, 5 factors divided by 5 factorial. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 it is. Okay, so now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 multiply and cancel with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that cancel the other terms here. Okay, so what we can cancel? 6 1 times, 6 2 times, 2 1 time, 2 4 times. Okay, and okay, so 2 times, 2 7 times 14 and 7 7 cancel. Okay, and after that take the 5 table. 5 3 times 15. Sorry, 5 2 times is 10. 5 3 times 15 and 3 1 time, 3 3 times. Okay, any more? So denominator, so 13 and 11 are there, they are prime numbers except that remaining terms cancelled here. Okay, so that means we can write the remaining terms as 3 2 and 2. Okay, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. 12 divided by 13 into 11. Okay, so 13 into 11, 1 3, so 1 plus 3 is 4. So 13 divided by 143. 13 divided by 143. This is the probability of none of them is defective. Now, okay, so all the bulbs are good here. All the bulbs are good here. Okay, after that, next question, only one of them is defective. Only one of them is defective. Okay, so here the next question is, only one of them is defective. Okay, only one of them is defective. That means we have to select one defective bulb, other bulbs we have to select from non-defective bulbs. Okay, so we select one defective bulb from 5 defective bulbs. 5 defective bulbs, and remaining 4. Total we have to select 5 bulbs, right? So that means remaining 4 bulbs. Remaining 4 non-defective. Okay, so select from 10 non-defective bulbs. 10 non-defective bulbs. So number of ways. Okay, if we consider this as n of a, then how many ways are possible here? From 5 bulbs we are selecting one bulb, that is 5C1, into from 10 bulbs we are selecting the remaining 4, that is 10C4. From 10 bulbs selecting 4, 10C4. Okay, 5C1. 5C1 is 5 into 10C4. 10C4, already I told you, short form is, okay, write the 4 factors into the descending order divided by 4 factorial. 10 into, okay, so 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, 4 factors divided by 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so that means 4 into 2, 8, 8 cancel. Okay, so 3 one time, 3 3 times. 3 one time, 3 3 times gets cancelled. Okay, what is the total here? So check it and write the total here. So this is equals to 3 7 times. 3 7 times 21. 21 into 5. Okay, what is 21 into 5? Okay, so that is 105. 105 into 10. 1050. 1050. Okay, after that he is asking the total probability. Okay, therefore probability of only one of them is defective. That means probability of A only. Probability of A is nothing but number of favorable events to A divided by total number of events. Okay, that means, okay, so this is 1050 whole divided by n of S. N of S. Okay, what is n of S? N of S is nothing but out of 15 bulbs we are selecting 5. So 15C5 it is. So that means 1050 into 15C5. So you can write it. Okay, so otherwise you can write one more step for 1050 divided by 15C5 is 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. Okay, 5 factors divided by 5 factorial, that is 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so we have the fraction in the fraction, so take it to numerator. Okay, so that means 1050 into 5 4 3 2 1 divided by, okay, whatever we have we write it. Okay, 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 11. Okay, so now what we can do, 5 into 3 15, 15 cancel. Okay, 2 one time and 2 6 times. Okay, and 2 2 times, 2 3 times. Okay, so 2 one time, 2 7 times. What is remaining here? 1050 is there. 1050 is nothing but in this we have the factors. Check the factors once. So 5 is there, 10 is there, 3 is there, 7 is there. Is there any common factors whatever we have in the denominator? Yes, we have. So that is nothing but it is divisible by those factors. We can divide by 3 table. Okay, so that means 3 3 times is 9, 3 5 times 50. So and 0, and we can also divide by 7 table. 7 5 times is 35 and 0. Any more ma? 5 0 50 50 divided by what is remaining in the denominator? 13 and 11. 13 and 11. So that means how much we get? So that means we get the final answer as 50 divided by how much ma? 13 into 11. Already I told you multiplication by 11 technique. Write that number and add those two numbers and write in the middle. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 50 divided by 143. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so of the probability, one of them is defective. One of them is defective. Okay, so and after that, what is the next question here? What is next question here? At least one of them is defective. At least one of them is defective. Okay, here none of them is defective means nothing is defective. All are good bulbs. At least one means if you subtract this, Okay, that is none. Okay, one of them is defective. It may be one defective, two defective, three defective, 5 out of 5 defective. That is the question. Okay, so that is nothing but he is asking probability of A complement. Probability of A complement for the first one. Okay, here at least one of them is defective. At least one of them is defective. That is the question here. Okay, so therefore probability of at least one of them is defective is equals to 1 minus probability of none of them is defective. None of them is defective. Okay, so at least one of them is defective is okay, so 1 minus probability of none of them is defective. None of them is defective means it is the first one, it is first one. None of them is defective in the first one, that is 12 divided by 143. Okay, so 12 divided by 143. Okay, so this is from case 1. This is from case 1 we took. Okay, so take LCM. 143 is LCM, so 143 into 143 minus 12. So that means 131 divided by 143. Okay, these many possibility out of 143, 131 possibilities for defective. At least one of them is defective. Okay, it may be 1 defective or 2 defective or 3 defective or 4 defective or okay, so 5 out of 5 also defective. Okay, so none of them defective, we are subtracting from that. Okay, so this is the required solution. Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes.